Analyzing foods. Natural and industrialized foods. Much is said about the ills of using industrialized foods. But most of the time there is no explanation for a basis for such bad foods. Let's use two foods, the soybean and the soybean oil. What is the problem with using soybeans or soybean oil? We could assume that soybean oil is transgenic and soy not, but in most of the soybeans it buys, it is also transgenic. Therefore it is not because it is transgenic that we can analyze that it is harmful. Look at soybeans. If you believe in evolutionism, then soy took thousands of years of evolution so that its food characteristics became ecologically and nutritionally symbiotic with animals. Now if you believe in creationism, then God would have correctly planned the nutrients of soy to balance with the digestion of the animals. Whatever form you believe ends up falling into it. That soy has a built-in science that generates symbiotic balance with man. But was that real? All human beings have nutritional needs, which must be assimilated for the correct functioning of the body. Food passes through various organisms so that the nutrients can be absorbed. According to the World Health Organization, the amount of proteins is approximately 12.5%, of lipids of 22.5% and of carbohydrates 65%. According to the USDA, 100 grams of soy has 36.49 of protein, 19.94 lipids and 30.6 carbohydrates. And when do you have soy? In 100 grams of soybean oil we have 0 of protein, 100 of lipids and 0 of carbohydrates. It would be easy to understand that soy is closer to the balancing of an individual's food need than soybean oil. And this is the factor of the industrialized. It is unbalanced in relation to the needs of the human body. See that we are analyzing a clearly unbalanced component, that is the oil. So let's get another industrialized product. A corn snack can be found in 100 grams. We have 6.17 of proteins, 33.36 of lipids and 56.6 of carbohydrates. In the case it would be easy to understand that the oil is unbalanced, as well as a kilo of sugar. But how to make the corn snack? A corn snack is an industrialized product composed of several products, mainly corn. What happens is that such foods are used constantly, and so if there is an imbalance in nutritional needs it will be amplified. When analyzing the nutritional deviation in macronutrients for the saltiness we have, what we see is lack in carbohydrate and excess in protein and lipids. Now let's look at how a person eats 80 grams of banana and 50 grams of oats, with 20 grams of ground peanuts. See the chart as it fits the nutrient balance advocated by the World Health Organization. Between the ultra-processed corn snack and a breakfast with natural foods, we see that there is a clear definition of health care in using natural foods.